Introducing the Equator 20-inch cooking range with convection oven, compact, powerful, and stylish. Available in white and stainless steel, this range complements any kitchen decor. With bake, broil, grill, air fry, and defrost functions, the ECR 204 meets all your cooking needs. The built-in convection fan ensures even heat distribution for faster and more consistent cooking. The two wire racks inside the 1.9 cubic feet oven let you cook multiple dishes at once. Achieve perfectly cooked meals with top and bottom heating elements for even temperature control. Stay safe with the hot surface indicator light, which alerts you when the burners are still hot. The sleek ceramic cooktop resists stains and is easy to clean after cooking. Cook multiple dishes at once with 4 equal-sized ceramic burners. Compatible with all cookware. Manage your cooking time precisely with the built-in digital timer and clock. The splashback protects your walls, while the storage drawer keeps kitchen essentials handy. The heat-resistant handle ensures a safe and comfortable grip while using the oven. The anti-rust coated exterior enhances durability, and the freestanding design fits seamlessly into any kitchen. Easily adjust temperature settings with 6 control knobs for precise cooking control. Designed for modern kitchens, the ECR 204 measures 36 inches high, 20 inches wide, and 24 inches deep, offering a perfect fit without compromising functionality. Upgrade your kitchen with the Equator 20-inch cooking range with convection oven today.